Okay, so hopefully you can see me okay and the hot end, but I'm really just pulling the hot end out. I mean, I don't want any filament in there. The other thing too is deciding if we want to take this upper beam off or not. I'm thinking I'm going to have to. However, I might not, because I could just pull the wires through. Just trying to figure out what the easiest way to go about this is. Obvious reasons we need to turn the power off on the Voron, let things cool down like that, I guess. We're gonna have to put this thing on its side and all kinds of fun crap today. So, get the trusty mailing scale out. Okay, so the lightweight rail with the outside pieces is 495 grams, okay? And just this guy by itself, without the plastic, is 570. So if we add the plastic bits to it and the bolts, I think you'll probably get a lot higher, but just that alone is a lot of weight that we shed. Okay, so it is important that you install the linear rail stuff before you do what I'm doing, just like in the LDO docks, because you're gonna get some torsion and some issues. However, because I like to live life dangerously, I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna kind of reverse the process just a little bit. I like to give myself a challenge, you know. You're one of those people that like to give yourself a challenge, so I totally sympathize, I totally get it. I'm 100% on board with the challenges. It's just one of those, you know, you might discover something new that you didn't discover before by doing things the hard way. You never know. Right now I'm discovering I don't like this install process, doing it this way. Not at all. However, it's going a lot smoother than I actually thought, so that's good. So I'm just finger tightening 2 of these bolts before I do anything else. I'm not even gonna run the XY belt yet. I want to get all 4 of these in here loose. And then go from there. Okay, so here's a good talking point. What does racking mean? What does it mean when your wires are, your linear rail's racked? That basically means that the x-axis is crooked, right? We don't want that. So right now at this point, what I'm going to do is reinstall the belts, make sure things are square and even, and then go from there. I'm going to do one side and then the other, because I'm a creature of liking uniformity. So we're going to go through here. Gotta snake this guy up the best I can. There we go. Oh, yes. I'm gonna install the stock tensioners right now because I have these adjustable ones and I hate them. So we're gonna go ahead and stop videoing here and take apart the upper Z. Plus I need to pee, I've had some coffee. So we'll stick back into it later.